This is a dog bowl. If you put it upside down on a firecracker, the explosion will blast it into the air. Now, if you attach a pair of wings to that dog bowl, its descent will slow down. Congratulations, you've just discovered the basic principle of flight. Building on this principle, you reshape the dog bowl into an airplane, design a pair of specially shaped wings, and equip it with two high-power engines. When the engines start, the plane is pushed forward. The wings, tilted slightly upward, force a huge amount of air downward. At the same time, the airflow above and below the wing is split. Because of the difference in flow speed, a pressure difference is created. According to Newton's third law and Bernoulli's principle, the air exerts a strong upward reaction force on the wing. This upward force is called lift. When lift becomes greater than the weight of the plane, the airplane leaves the ground. But like this, the takeoff distance is too long. So you cleverly add slats at the front of the wing and flaps at the back. When they extend, they catch more airflow and generate more lift. You can also add an elevator at the tail of the aircraft. When the plane is speeding down the runway, you deflect the elevator upward. It catches the airflow and pushes the tail down, causing the nose to pitch up. This increases the wing's angle of attack, further increasing lift, and the plane can take off sooner. Next, the plane begins to climb, rising all the way to cruising altitude, 10,000 meters above the ground. So how does the airplane turn? You can install a rudder on the vertical tail. When the rudder deflects to the left, the airflow pushes the tail to the right, making the nose yaw to the left. But this kind of yawing turn creates large sideways forces and makes passengers very uncomfortable. So you smartly install ailerons on the outer trailing edges of the wings. When the plane needs to turn left, the left aileron deflects upward and the right aileron deflects downward. This makes lift on the right wing greater than on the left wing, rolling the aircraft to the left, and the plane turns smoothly. When the airplane reaches its destination, you reduce engine power. At the same time, you deflect the elevator downward and extend the flaps, letting the plane descend gently. As the aircraft approaches the runway, you pull the elevator back up, raising the nose. This ensures that when you lower the landing gear, the main rear wheels touch down first. At the moment of touchdown, you immediately deploy the spoilers fully and activate the brakes and thrust reversers. The flaps remain extended to increase drag. Once the aircraft has slowed down enough, you retract them, and the plane rolls to a safe stop. And that is how, starting from a simple dog bowl, you have invented a large passenger airplane.